Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another vlog. Today is Friday and you already know what that means. It's the weekend and you guys are gonna spend the weekend with me. We're gonna spend the weekend together. A few things I want to get done today is first to go pick up my car. I haven't been with my car for like a week now and it's not feeling too good, so I'm gonna go pick up my car today and then we're gonna go for some errands. I want to go for some grocery shopping. I want to meet prep and I also want to unbox a package. We're just gonna do everything together. Like, let's spend the weekend together, okay? But you already know what to do. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe. I'll wait. Also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything. And if you did that already, let's dive right into the video. We so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. It's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way it moves. Boy, you ask me, I can do it. So I finally got ready and I'm about to go out. I'm thinking of, doing a little bit of makeup, and also my hair looks really rough, so I was thinking of maybe just putting a scarf on. So before we do some makeup, let me just see if tying my hair will look good. If it doesn't, then we'll just take it off. Okay, I'm just gonna throw on some earrings just to kind of like make it pop a little bit more. So I am going to be putting on these cute earrings. So I have on my earrings. I don't know, does this look good? Anyways, I am going to do a little bit edges just to make it pop. I'm gonna apply my foundation just a tiny bit because I don't want too much makeup. I really just apply my foundation and my blush because I don't want too much, so I'm applying my blush now. I'm using this one, just a little bit. I just want something very light and natural, just a natural look. And I'm going to use my eyebrow glue for my eyebrow. I'm just going to apply my mascara for my eyelash. For my lips, I am just going to apply my regular lip balm. I am done with my little makeup, so it's time for me to put on my shoes, grab my bag, and head out. So I just got my car back from the mechanic. I am so excited, but I do have to clean it up because it got a little bit dirty. But that might be maybe later today because it's getting really hot. If you guys can tell, I'm sweaty. But I do have to go to the store and just pick up the few items that I need to meet prep for next week. So I'll see you guys when I get to the store.
Just for the record, if they like me, then chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, ya kumbe no, but so plain be mo. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, I saw they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah with them move. they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. What's up, libido? Yeah, go sing a song.
I just got back from the store and I am so tired, but I do want to go ahead and just head to the kitchen and prep my meal for next week. I am going to be making some stew with some grilled lamb and some fish. And afterwards, I do have a package like I have to unbox. It's pretty heavy, I cannot lift it up, but I do want to unbox that after cooking. So let's go back to the kitchen.
Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you do. Boy, you like me, I can never see all of this. I know my time, boy, you like me, I can never see all of this. I know my time, I feel like fucking something. We could be corny, fucking sugar, I ain't no dummy. I like to say what if we could kiss and just cut the rubbish. Then I might be on to something. I ain't giving you one in public. I'm giving you hundreds, fuck it. Something we just gotta get into. Same first, middle, last on the wisdom tooth. Niggas wishing that that pussy was a kissing booth. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice. And at dinner, just like this at 2. And when we friends, we fresh, give me too. When I bite that lip, come get me too. You want lipstick, lip gloss, kiss me.
I just finished cooking. Like, the food looks so good and it tastes so delicious. But I want to unbox my fish tank nest. So this is the fish tank that I got. So let's unbox this and set it up for my little fish.
Give me a bug, the bougie stuff. Bougie living and you ain't good enough. All you niggas say that you lost without me. All my bitches feel like I died without me. Fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need bail, you know that. Got you been with your friend, you ain't even having like, you know that. Got me a bag for the brick, you know that. Control the soul, the place it right, though. Like, oh, this ass for real. I'ma make you feel as if we ever been. It's all I can give you. We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. It's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you groove.
I'm not gonna lie, this tank look exactly like it was in the picture. I'm just going to set this up. I have no idea how to do this, but there's a manual to just go through. I'm gonna go through the manual and just set this up. So here's the manual, and it says the first thing to do is to unpack the aquarium, remove the glass canopy from the top of the styrofoam, which is this, then leave the styrofoam out of the box, which I already did all of that stuff just to get it out. Step 4F. Okay, now this is how to set up the tank. It says to first clean the tank by using clean water and paper towel. Do not use chemicals not intended for aquarium use. Just got some wet paper towel. I'm going to clean this up because I don't want to take the whole thing to the sink, because I don't want to drop it, I don't want to break anything. So I'm just gonna clean with some paper towel. The next step is to place the base on a flat surface in your desired location, away from direct sunlight and air vent. This is the base, but I don't think I want to use it. Yeah, I don't think I want to use the base. I kind of want it to be like all glass in the bottom, but if it says to use it, then we're gonna use it. Okay, so this is the old tank. I had to cover the top with this net because he wouldn't stop jumping out of the tank. Like, I would literally come home and find him on the floor somewhere. Like, every time he does it, I'm like 1 minute lucky to finding him. So I think the tank is too small, so let's give my baby a new home. Are you excited, baby? This is what it looks like. It's not looking too bad. I think I like it. So it says, after rinsing your gravel and the core thoroughly, decorate your aquarium before adding water So I'm gonna take this down and then add my decor before I put it back up and add some water. Hopefully I do have some marbles and some chairs, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add those to the thing. So this is what we have so far. This is like the little decor I was able to do, and I am going to go fill it up with water now, and then I'll be right back.
Done just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just.
So we finally set up the fish tank. As you guys can see it in the background, it is so cute. Like, I am so excited that my fish now have a home, now have a place to call ears. And I'm also going to get more fishes and more decor for the tank as time goes on. I'm just gonna wait a few minutes before putting my fish in it, just to make sure everything is working fine. But that's really gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this. If you did, you already know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. Also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything. Also remember to like, comment down below on what you think, and until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.